Okay, I've just heard in my ear we have over 10 million votes. Thank you so very much for voting at home. But judges and contestants, it's time for the final result. The nation has been voting. I'm about to reveal who has won the X Factor 2009. 200,000 people have applied, and after months of fierce competition, this is it. Good luck to everyone. The winner of the X Factor 2009 is... Get a word with you, Joe. You are absolutely breathless, buddy. Come here.
Oh my
Congratulations, mate. How do you feel?
I can't even speak. Thank you so much, everyone.
All right.
Oh my.
All right, listen, we're going to come to you in just a second. But a massive round of applause to a great runner-up, Ollie. Ollie Ray. Such a great run. Finished second, but you must be so proud of yourself, mate.
I'm massively proud, and Joe's been phenomenal every week. He's breathless with his vocal, and he deserves every minute of it, so big thanks to Joe.
You've been an absolute gentleman. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for this year's runner-up, Ollie. So, over here, little fella. Now then, when you first auditioned all those months ago, had you any idea you'd be standing on this stage about to release your debut single? Want to touch it? There you go. How does that feel, huh? Winner's single released tonight, available to download after the show, I believe, at midnight in the shops from Wednesday.